is Esiri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have so many friends with me because we're gonna be eating and yeah, this is gonna be fun. So subscribe if you're not subscribed and let's have some fun. Let's just enjoy. Okay, so who wants to explain what we're doing today?
I'll helm that one because I invented the game to both cameras because we got two videos. So we're, well, context. If you haven't noticed, two people in this group don't exactly look like the rest. So everyone here is Korean except for the obvious two. I'll let you guess which two. You'll be pleasantly surprised. So we've never had Korean style corn dogs before. I don't know which camera to look at, so I'm just going to keep switching. So today, little context. Most of the people here are Korean. Obviously, there are two people in this group that aren't. I'll let you guess which two are not Koreans. And Esiri and I were talking yesterday with our friends, and we've never actually had Korean style, I mean, what do you guys call it? Hot dogs? Corn dogs?
They call it hot dogs.
Okay, we've never actually had Korean style hot dogs. I've seen them, but I've never actually tried them. So our good friend Chanho here suggested, why not try all of them? So we ordered everything off of a menu, and we've got a bottle here, so we're going to play some corn dog roulette, or hot dog roulette, whatever you want to call it. What would you call it in Korean?
Hot dog roulette.
Oh, but like...
In Korean.
In Korean.
Come on, Hangul list, let's
I
go.
don't know.
We'll figure it out.
I'm
Okay.
not that Korean. I'm
All
less than 3.
How would you say hot dog in Korean?
Hot
Hot
dog.
dog.
Hot dog. How would you say roulette in Korean?
룰렛 아니야?
Hot dog roulette. There you go. Apparently I'm the most Korean in the group. So we're going to spin the bottle. The rules of the game, we're going to spin the bottle. Whoever obviously the bottle looks at, I'm going to kiss. And then, no, I'm not. I'm kidding. We're going to pick a corn dog and then keep going. Now, the corn dogs all look vastly different. We'll show you. Some of them look more appetizing than others. I've already been warned there's a couple in here that are probably going to be awful. So we'll see about that. So who wants to start? Where should we spin the bottle? I guess.
Okay, so wait, when you spin and you pick one, do you taste or do
No,
you
we'll
not?
taste.
no.
We'll
Taste
do
at
our,
the same time.
we're going to do our first corn dog, and we'll get a review, and then we'll do our second corn dog after.
Oh, okay.
Does that work?
Oh, okay.
Well, you're
so
gonna get
pick
2 corn
a
dogs.
corn dog each.
Ah.
Apparently nobody knows the rules of my game. That's my fault I didn't explain it.
Alright, let's-
We each get 2 corn dogs. So I'm going to spin the bottle right here. The camera can't see it, but that's okay. Take my word for it. No, let's do it right there. You're right. Okay, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to block it. Oh, the light is so bright. Nobody, but you get to choose. Try again. Oh, that's...
Me?
Sarah.
All right, Sarah.
Okay, let's
Open
see.
them up.
Oh,
No,
not the
just-
Oh, we're choosing blind. Oh.
Choosing blindly.
Okay.
There's also these. This way.
Oh yes, and the wild card here. This one in its own box. Insall mixed them all up like she's like a poker star. So
Okay.
I want that octopus one. That's the one I'm going
this.
for.
I'm really
Okay.
special.
You're gonna go for the mystery box. Wow.
I'm really
Okay.
special. I
Let's
have
see
no
who's
idea what's
next.
in here.
Okay.
Oh, that's
looks
what
like
you,
it's you.
Angela. That's you,
Okay.
Angela.
Is that you?
Nah, that's her knee. I'll say this is all me here too. Just
Which one do you want?
obviously I'm gonna keep spinning it that way.
Maybe you're kind of out of the frame
Should
now.
we?
Well, I know I can't help it though while we're spinning. Plus the ring light. Look at me, I'm like a spooky ghost.
Should I take it out for you? Yeah, because you chose, right?
We should making
Okay.
boxes this way.
Oh, like this.
Oh.
Yeah, this way.
Ooh, good choice.
Oh.
That one has a lovely bouquet. I really like it. Yes, aesthetically pleasing. That's very clearly sugar though, so
Okay.
that's hard not to. Here we go. Next,
That's
Esiri.
Dun, dun, dun.
No.
This one is speaking to... No, wait.
Okay.
This one is speaking to me.
All
Please
right.
be speaking good things to me.
Take it out.
Okay, it's like a
Alright, we
pretty,
don't know yet.
pretty standard
We don't
looking
know
one.
yet.
That's how you know it's a bad one, though. I bet.
Wow.
The ones that look
Oh, you
safe.
do thumbnails. I guess
Next.
Ew.
Okay. All right. Let's see. So we got the 3 in the paper.
Don't peek.
I'm not. I can't see you. You're holding it down. You're holding it down. One, there's 4 in the front, 4 in the back, right? I'm gonna go for a lefty, but do I want?
I hope you get the rice cake.
Thank you. I hate rice cake, so that's really nice. I'll take the back lefty.
This one?
Yeah.
Wait, where is it? This
Nope.
one?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, you got it!
You remember this one, right?
Wow. Look at his face. Wait,
You know-
take
Then
it
show
out.
it to the camera.
Okay, so it's like it looks like an octopus, and it's the corn dog itself is
And that
black.
One too, that one too.
That one too.
Oh, this camera too. If you can see it, the corn dog itself is like a very unappetizing, like smoker's lung color. Lovely, lovely. How do you know that? Oh, right. Oh, yeah, you've tried them all.
Tried it.
That's not fair. Okay, next.
Pick one. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, alright.
Okay.
I don't know what is this.
Don't know.
Same as mine.
No,
Little bit
I have
different.
black
Black
sesame here.
sesame.
Alright. Closest person would be Inta. And then, well, I guess you two can both just choose one then, because you're the last ones.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Take it out.
And
Oh, that's a chonky corn dog.
Babe, you want to come back here so you're
Yep,
free?
yep. I'll come back to the.
I think this one is a rice cake.
Alright.
Is
and
it?
then-
Awesome.
Wait, I don't know what this is.
This
How do
one
I
is a
open
little
it?
bit heavy.
You just had to go for the mystery box corn dog,
What is
eh?
that? What is that?
What is that
Oh.
I
one?
thought
Oh,
the
it's got like
best
cheese
one.
and sauerkraut. It's like.
Oh my god. It's not sauerkraut.
I think it's
just cheese.
amazing.
No, what's that white stuff right there? Is
Cheese.
Is it cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks great.
I guess I'll just
Like
put those
Mine's
cabbage.
intimidating. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I guess cheers.
No, there's sauce.
Oh, do
You
we
guys
want to?
want to do without the sauce?
Yeah,
I
I'll
want to try without
oh
sauce
yeah,
first.
yeah, you don't know what it is.
Okay.
How do
So,
I even eat this?
so
Cheers.
do we just take a bite and?
Cheers.
All right.
Cheers.
All right.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
It's good, right? What did you get? What's in
There's some
yours?
sugar, and I think this is like, is this cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, so
Okay, let's
good.
get them to go around and say what we
I'm
got.
100%
What'd you get, Channel?
sure this one
What's
is
in
really
yours?
the rice cake.
There is cheddar cheese, I think. Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese with sausage.
Yeah.
Cool.
What about yours?
I just have a lot of cheese.
Mmm.
It's very cheesy.
Mine cheese too. What about yours?
Cheese and squid ink and sugar. It's a corn dog, I guess.
And so what'd you get?
I thought it is a rice cake because it was so heavy,
Mhm.
but it is big sausage.
Oh, the big
Ah.
sausage. That was a good
jumbo
one.
Danielle, what about you?
Yeah.
No, that,
Just potato?
Yes.
Oh, you got just potato? Here's what you got. Nom, 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 nom.
Angela, what'd you get?
Angela, what'd you get?
I also have potato and I have sausage inside.
Mm.
Yummy, yummy.
So I guess nobody got anything kind of weird.
Well,
Oh, yeah. I got sugar,
I want
squid ink, and
sauce.
hot dog.
This is so good. Okay guys, so we just finished eating the first one and now we're gonna go again because there's like totally different flavors.
They're
right?
all different.
So yeah, round two.
First, I'm really curious what the verdict was for everybody.
Okay,
So.
mine was really good. I loved it.
yeah, mine was good too. It was super cheesy.
Yeah, me
Delicious.
too. It's very cheesy.
Did anybody not like their first one?
You?
No, I got used to it. A black corn dog was not something I expected to eat today, but no, it was pretty good. It was
Okay,
pretty good.
let's do round two.
Okay, round two. First up is Angela.
Oh, I really don't want the rice cake either.
There's still the rice
Nobody
cake
wants
one.
The rice cake. I feel like it's one
Take
of
bets.
these,
Who do you think's
maybe.
gonna get the rice cake one? Because I think it's gonna be me.
Oh my god. Okay.
Does anybody here actually like rice cake? Like,
That's stuck, right?
oh yeah.
No, she like whoever gets just trade with her.
Yes, but come on,
No,
please.
no,
I
no
already
trading.
think about that.
No trading.
No
I get the
trading.
middle one.
Oh.
What'd you get? Let's see what you got.
Uh-oh.
Another potato?
I think I had enough potato.
It took Angela a long time to eat the first one, so. Alright, number two
So
is
funny.
Sarah.
Sarah.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna do this one.
Back box. Ooh.
Ooh. Looks like the
That's
same
nice. Okay, okay. It's
Alright.
plump. It looks juicy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Arson.
Oh, no!
Oh.
I'm scared.
This is
Do I?
everything.
So like I can see these ones. Do I take one of the ones that I can see a little bit of, or do I go for the mystery box?
Mystery box.
Yeah, I gotta go. I already knew the answer, right?
Yes, yes.
Well, so this time I'll go for right.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, that's totally rice cake. Oh, that's totally rice
You
cake.
want to change?
No, I can't do it. Fair's fair.
Okay.
All right, Chano, you're up.
Oh.
So you got one in the box and three in the bags.
Okay, I will try that.
Ooh, that one looks good.
And sweet potato. Yeah.
Sweet potato.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay, next up. We got that. I'd say that's Esiri.
Esiri.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay, so the box is. Oh,
Looks similar to the first one I had.
yours is skinnier than mine though, so it's probably not rice cake. Because rice cake's usually like a big doughy mess.
Okay.
So we got 2 left.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it bounced, but
Insult. I
closest
said
in.
insult.
Okay.
Yeah, why don't you guys switch this time? Because you
Okay,
picked last
go
time.
first.
Oh.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Put my
Here we go. Let's just take a big bite. I'm just gonna trust in the corn dog.
Mmm, sausage.
More cheese.
Rice cake?
Rice cake?
No way. Really?
I am not sure.
No, I think it's the same I had last
It has
time.
no taste right now. Hang on.
Wait, maybe. What?
Maybe.
You didn't try it. You didn't
Try it.
Try
It might be cheese, but it is very light in taste.
You might have the.
Ah!
You might have it.
That's rice cake. That's gotta be rice cake.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the rice cake.
Okay. Is mine cheese then?
Yeah.
I mostly just got dough.
Rice
Hang on.
cake?
No.
Rice cake.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, she changed with it.
My first bite was all dough, so I was like really
Go
afraid.
hold it.
Ah, he likes it. I like that.
No.
Oh.
Mine is sausage.
Let me get.
Sausage on the inside.
I have cheese.
Oh my god. This is so much sugar.
Yeah, mine's just like a sausage and cheese too, I think.
Hey guys, so as you just see, we have noodles here. We're just gonna continue eating. But I'm gonna end this video here now. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.